Good morning. Today I'm going to speak on the topic energy reforms in India. Energy is one of the most important thing, which is the essential and basic need of each and every nations. Energy is the one of the most important factor which develops a nation and form its integrity. Energy in India is also very important, and due to the geographical index of India, the energy is very diverse throughout it. The energy mainly is in of two types. The first is conventional energy, which is from fossil fuel and hydro energy and nuclear energy, etc. The second is non-conventional, which is uh, wind energy and solar energy, etc. Energy in the India has been taken up various kind of advancement throughout the ages. According to a World Economic Forum in 2016, India has increased its energy index by more than 300,000 megawatts, and in future it has the aim of 160 gigawatts of energy production in the year 2022, out of which there will be more than 10 to 15 gigawatt of nuclear energy. However, up until 2021, India is mainly based upon the thermal energy, which is 62%. Inside of that is also coal, which is 52%, and very least is the nuclear energy, which is 1.2%. The energy reforms in India has been vast. The first and foremost is the privatization of energy. The energy has been privatized by the government, and so now the companies are making the energy, and the distribution of all energy has also been privatized. The companies such as Tata Electrics and Reliance has taken over the distribution of energy. The third is increasing tariff in the energy because of the to discourage the unwanted waste of energy. The tariff taxes has been increased. So in the end, I would like to say that the energy the government has increased its awareness and many kinds of campaign to aware people about the loss of energy, and if proper steps are being taken in future with the right direction, the India can adopt to more of non-conventional energy sources, which will be both benefited for human as well as for nature also. Thank you very much.